Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how to fix this connection is not private on Safari. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings. From here guys, scroll it below and here tap on journal, and from here guys simply tap on date and time, and from here guys you have to just simply set your date and time, and after that simply turn on set automatically. So guys, after turning on this toggle, then again go back and locate for the Safari. Here it is, so simply tap on it and scroll it below, and here you can see clear history and website data. So guys, simply tap on clear history and website data. So guys, simply tap on all history, tap on close all tabs and tap on clear history. Now after that guys, close this page and open Safari and search anything, and here you can see Safari is working. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.